Hello. Welcome to Great Web Portals. Today, we are going to give a brief overview of what Google Analytics is. Then, Mary is going to show you how to register and set it up for WordPress. These steps are similar for other websites as well. Google Analytics is a free web tool that gives you a detailed analysis of your website traffic. It benchmarks the number of site visitors, page views, pages visited, average time on site, referring sites, geolocation of visitors, and other important data. Google Analytics will also let you set your traffic goals and create custom reports. Google Analytics gathers your traffic data, then categorizes and updates them in your dashboard. Your traffic data is obtained from search engines, ads, email, blogs, referrals, cost per click, and affiliates. This concludes my presentation. Mary will now show you how to get set up.
Hi, this is Mary Kirby. So we're currently at the google.com/analytics homepage. Now before we sign up for a Google Analytics account, Google is going to ask us to sign in with a Gmail or a Google account. So let's go ahead and click on Access Analytics. Okay, and I'm going to type in my account, my Google email, one of them, password, and there you go. So it's going to take us to this page where we can sign up for Google Analytics. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up, and here's where it's going to ask you to type in your URL. So I am going to type in my demo page, my demo site. And that is demo-corporate.greatwebportals.com. The demo-corporate is a subdomain. And you can see all I needed to do is just click on this because it's going to replicate over. Time zone, country or territory, United States. Time zone, Pacific time is good. Otherwise you can select any of the other times. And we're going to click on continue. Last name is Kirby. First name is Mary. Country, United States. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to do a little bit of speed reading here in terms of service. There you go. Then I'm going to click on yes, I agree to the above. Then I'm going to click on create new account. So what we have in front of us right now is a code. It's a text in JavaScript that we're going to have to copy and paste onto every single web page that we would like to have tracked. Okay, now what I'm going to do right now, and you won't be able to see me doing this, but I'm going to right mouse click, copy, and then I'm going to paste it over to a notepad, which is a it's a file that you can name it anything you want. It ends with the .txt extension. So I'm going to paste it over and I'm going to save it. So this way, I'll have a copy of it later when I visit my WordPress weblog. Okay, and I'll show you how to embed it at that point. Okay, so let's go ahead and log out. I'm going to sign out here. So I am now at my demo site, and I'm going to show you the two different ways that we can get Google Analytics set up for WordPress. Okay, let's go ahead and go to my dashboard. I'm going to show you the first method, which is my favorite because it seems to be a lot cleaner than using the second method. And with the first method, all we have to do is just go to Appearance. We're going to click on Editor. We're going to look for one of the theme files, and the one that we want is footer. That's footer.php. I'm going to click on that. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now remember when we were at the Google Analytics website, and when it gave us the code, it was telling us to paste that code above the /body tag, which means above the closure of the body. So let's go ahead and pull up that script that I had pasted earlier on my notepad. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. I'm going to go back to my footer file here, and above the body, and we're going to paste it here. There you go, right above the body. Okay? So all we have to do is just click on the update file. So since every page has a footer, every page will be tracked when it's visited. Okay? Now let's move on to the second method. In the second method, we're going to be using a plugin. Let's go ahead and click on plugin. What we're going to be installing is a Google Analytics for WordPress plugin. Okay, so let's go ahead and add new. Now I already have it installed in my downloads folder, but I'm going to show you how to search for it. Okay, so you're going to type in Google Analytics like I typed in earlier for WordPress, because the latest version as I speak is 3.2.5. Okay, that's that. And we're going to click on search plugins. 3.2.5, although there are other plugins and they may seem to have higher ratings, but since I've already used this one and I liked it quite a bit, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to click on the download, and then if you want, you can just click on save file. But since I already have it downloaded, actually twice, I'm just going to cancel out on this. Alright, check out on this. I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to browse. I'm going to install. And I'm going to activate. And here you go. Google Analytics for WordPress. So now we want to scroll down. Underneath settings, you're going to find Google Analytics. So let's go ahead and click on it. So what it's asking for is the Analytics account ID. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up that notepad that I had earlier. And I'm going to copy this unique tracker code. It's unique for every website, every domain name. I'm going to go ahead and paste it on here. Let's go ahead and look at the advanced settings. The only thing that I want to uncheck here is track the administrator too. So I'm going to uncheck that. Scroll down here and I'm going to click on Update Google Analytics Settings. So there you have it. Two different methods to work from. Thank you for joining us this evening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a line.